Presenting a pre-owned 2002 Volkswagen Golf GLS TDI. This four-door hatchback has a four-cylinder, 1-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 127,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.